What are the top stocks for 2026? We're going to find out today what my top picks for stocks are in 2026 right now, as well as some notable mentions and some Hail Mary plays that I'm also very interested in going into 2026. But before we get going, check out the channel memberships at that soda straw level there, the very lowest level. You're going to get the TC indicator, which has been doing some amazing things lately. You're going to get the daily SPY thoughts that I put out every morning before market open, which plays very well into some levels that the TC indicator might call out as well. You're going to get the daily scanner results as well that show you some possible tickers that TA may be worthwhile looking at. And all that just at the soda straw level. And if you want the real-time trade posts and members only videos, you'll go down to Stalagmite and get those there to see exactly what I'm doing and when I am doing it. All right, so top stocks I'm watching for 2026. These are going to be my high conviction stocks. We're going to take a look at them. We're going to take a look a little bit at their financials, mostly cash flow and net profit margins. And then we're going to also do a little bit of charting on each of these. We're going to be as quick as we can because I don't want it to be super duper long. And then we'll take a look at the notable mentions and the Hail Mary plays. We're not going to do as much with those as we are with the top 10. But let's get right into it. Before we get going, smash that like button if you like this content, want to see more like it. Help us push that video out to more viewers. I appreciate every single one of you, and we're just trying to grow that community because the TC community is fantastic. So smash that like button. Subscribe if you've been with us for a bit and haven't done so yet, or you just got here and you want more of this stuff. Subscribe, like it, get it all moving around. All right, so let's take a look here at this first. Let's go through the list real quick. So we're looking at SoFi, which is going to be digital first financial platform, a digital first financial platform offering banking, lending, investing services, all that stuff. There's a few tailwinds on them right now, and they have a great CEO. CGNX, Cognex, they do vision for machines. Basically, they're going to be the eyeballs for robots, and everybody's excited about robots, especially those humanoid robots going into 2026, and they're sitting in some interesting technical levels. So I think that there's a lot going on with CGNX. Marvel Technology, they're in the semiconductor space. They also have something that they're doing with photonics that's pretty interesting, and I think it's going to be very important as data movement is going to be the next level move for AI, how quickly data can move around. And I think Marvel has some exposure to custom chips as well as photonics. Tyson Foods, food stocks have been beaten down for a while. I think they might have a resurgence in 2026 as we start looking for value. ARM Holdings, that is the architecture, the backbone of mobile AI, edge computing. ARM has it going for them there. There is a risk there with Risk V as another architecture that could be used for AI compute, but ARM has the lion's share currently. Amazon's been beaten down for 2 years now. They have robotics, they have AI, they have web services, they have custom silicon. Amazon is a beast. I don't think we're going to see them do a third year down. Apple has been coming down because they've been lagging on AI. I think this is the year that Apple potentially flips the script on that, gets AI in your pocket and stops falling and starts climbing. All right, Oscar Health. We just saw the Affordable Care Act get extended another 3 years. Oscar, as well as companies like UNH and MOH, those are the tickers, not the names. They will be direct beneficiaries of the ACA subsidies extension, and I think we're going to see, as we have been seeing, continued cash flow into healthcare through 2026. Vistra Energy, they've been getting beaten down dramatically for a while now, but they have just locked in a nuclear deal with Meta. They're a huge electric power player. I can't imagine they're going to keep falling very long. I think they're going to possibly go sideways and pop back up later in the year. Target has been absolutely demolished. Okay, absolutely demolished. Hit lows in the 80s. It is now back over $100. I am targeting another 20 to 30% upside on Target for the year as Wall Street starts to buy back into Target after absolutely destroying it for years.